Dia, welcome to Startup Studio with Idol. Please introduce yourself to the panel and explain what your big idea is for our viewers.
Hello, my name is Dia and I'm an 8-year-old student of grade 4 in Vasant Valley, New Delhi. My big idea is to make organic fertilizer popular in all households, nurseries and farms.
All right. What made you interested in this idea, Dia?
I am by nature scientific and I like inventing new things. My latest creation was an eco-friendly lava lamp made in my room.
Okay, all right, Dia. So we understand that science is your area of interest, but why do you want to promote organic fertilizers, especially when organic vegetables are already available in so many stores nowadays?
I am very passionate about the environment. I also feel that people are being slowly poisoned by what they eat. Farmers use chemicals because they are cheaper and increase their harvest of crops. But people are just beginning to realize the long-term damage that chemical fertilizer does to the body. Cancer and other immune systems disorders are being traced to them.
All right, that's great. Glad to know that youngsters like yourself are so passionate about the environment and also so aware. So, what inspired you to take up this particular idea and not something else?
I noticed my mother used to make organic fertilizer for our house plants and garden. I did my research and I found out that it's important for people and plants. I love plants and I want them to be healthy, and I also want humans to be healthy. That is how I got inspired into making organic fertilizer.
Interesting.
All right.
And why would people consider buying your product over any other product available in the market?
While people are aware that organic vegetables are tastier and healthier, people don't buy them because they're more expensive and because they simply aren't available easily. While people are aware that organic vegetables are tastier and healthier, people don't buy them because organic vegetables are more expensive and because they simply aren't available easily. So I understand that encouraging people about the benefits and educating them about where to buy such products at low cost will be key to my success.
Okay, great. So, how do you plan to educate people and encourage them to buy organic vegetables? How do you plan to spread the awareness?
We plan to reach out to the small government bodies who fund eco-friendly made in India products. With their support, we will be able to run campaigns to spread awareness.
Okay. So my next question is that who are you making this for, Dia? Is it for people who grow plants at home, or is it for existing nurseries, farmers? Who's your target audience?
My short-term goal is to reach homes, nurseries, and small organic farms. But my long-term goal is to make farmers switch to it, or at least reduce their dependence on chemicals.
Okay, that's a fair point. So who's your competition, and why would people buy from you instead of your competitors?
My competition is the Trust Basket and the Cocoa Garden. You can buy their fertilizer on Amazon, but I'm not really worried about the competition. My focus is on keeping the prices lower.
Okay, thanks, Dia. I appreciate the clarity you have around your vision and the USP. So, what about production? Will you make this product in the nursery or set up a proper plant? Have you done your research around the different processes?
In the beginning, I would make my fertilizer in a nursery, but later, after getting a government subsidy to the adults in my family, I would open a plant. The plant requires a subsidy from the government because it has heavy machinery like compost turners, fertilizers, spreaders, crushers, and mixers. So all that needs investment. I will need the support of the adults in my family, and they are very encouraging about the idea.
happy to know that you have your parents' support for your venture, Dia. So now, how do you intend to set up the nursery, like you just said?
I have a large backyard which I can use as my nursery space for my fertilizer. I would need to set up a connect to deliver the materials. I need like animal manure, kitchen waste, sugar residue from the sugar plants, etc. I'll take the residue from farmers, produce the fertilizer, and sell it back to them at reduced rates.
Okay, this is very interesting, dear. It looks like you have done your research. But while you are preparing for your campaigns, how else do you plan to market your brand? How will people learn about your brand and your products?
People will know because I will have a website and will promote through both online and offline modes like poster distribution. I'm also working on building my farmer connect because there too will help me spread the word. I will be giving free samples to get the ball rolling.
That sounds great. One last question, Dia. Do you have a name for your nursery or your company? And what about the tagline?
My business is called Plant Care and my tagline is Get the Best Harvest.
That's very impressive, Dia. Seems like you're all set to start your entrepreneurial journey. We wish you all the very best for your endeavors and thank you so much for sharing your idea. It was a pleasure listening to you. More power to you, Dia, and goodbye for now.
Bye.
Bye, dear. Thank you.
Yay!